Head back into shading and switch over to glass 1 so we can start working on that material. Let's set up our glass material. First, delete the default node. Add a mix shader and connect it to the surface. Now, create a glass bsdf, connect it to the bottom input of the mix shader. Set the roughness to 0.1 and the IOR to 1.4. Duplicate that glass bsdf 3 times, so we've got 4 in total. Add an add shader node and duplicate it, placing them off to the side. Connect the first 2 glass nodes into the first add shader. Then take the output of that add shader and plug it into the top input of the second add shader. Now connect the last glass shader into the bottom input of that second add shader. Finally, take the output from the add shader chain and connect it to the top input of the mix shader. For the 3 glass shaders at the back, set their colors to red, green, and blue. Behind them, add a value node, set it to 1.5, and plug it into all 3 IOR sockets.